Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing, taste test, and review of the HAUS Vape Juice Crowd Punch. As I was saying in part 1, almost just like was their moon milk right here. You know? Tastes just like the moon milk, except it doesn't have that weird taste as moon milk has. So it doesn't really have that weird taste as moon milk has. And if you know moon milk, it kind of has like a chocolatey candy. Almost like if you remember those candy cigarettes, it almost tastes like that. Except I would be eating the candy cigarettes than vaping moon milk. Yeah. It tastes, like I said, kind of like moon milk, but only toned down. So if we had a way as like, blah, or whoa, it's more like blah. Well, this one's like, woo, or maybe, yeah. But, yeah. No flavor on this. Exactly, no flavor on this. I mean, if you want some flavor, you might as well be vaping moon milk right here. Blueberry, raspberry, nope, not there. Creaminess, nope. Tastes like an undertone, toned down moon milk. Yes. I'm going to try a couple more times and see if, the flavor changes by letting it sit in here. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. This is almost what I call the FDA. You know how FDA is trying to ban the vape flavors, just like how the Truth Company, free commercials. Only their second commercial got it half right about the Jill pods. Like, vaping one Jill pod's equal to smoking one pack of cigarettes. Well, yes, but they don't tell you, hey, it's in a non-wireless device. It's in a closed-end pod system. And by the way, you're not vaping actual, like this, like pure straight nicotine. You're vaping nicotine with nit salts because it's in a pod system, so it's going to have nit salt because it's a pod system. They don't tell you that in the second Truth commercial about one Jill pod's ear to one pack of cigarettes. No, they don't tell you that. Hey, Jill pods use nit salt, and they don't even go into detail what the F is nit salt. No, they won't. They're just like, hey, smoked one Jill pod, vaping one Jill pod's ear to like smoked one pack of cigarettes. Yeah, but one Jill pod because the nit salt is bumped up to 0.5% nicotine, which is in reality 50 milligrams of nicotine, while, vaping this stuff without nit salt is about 4 milligrams, or my other ones, which is about 3 milligrams of nicotine. Yeah, there's a bit difference. 50 versus 3 and 4 milligrams of nicotine, yeah, nit salt. But they don't tell you that. Yeah, the truth is a lie, and the lies are the truth. Just putting it out there. The truth needs to do the actual research, actual studies, hair control tests. They won't even talk to vapors. Like, oh, you vape, you bad, you very, very bad person. You vape. Hey, you talk to a vapor. Hey, you ask them, hey, why are you not smoking a cigarette? Why are you not smoking a cigar or a pipe? Why are you vaping? Oh, you smoked cigarettes, cigars, pipes. You did dip and chew and snuff and hookahs, and you've been coughing every single day and you're vaping. You're running like a 5K marathon since you've been vaping. But when you were smoking cigarettes, you could barely walk 2 steps out of your house. Yeah, they don't ask questions like that. They don't even talk to vapors. They're just like, we don't like people vaping, so we're going to say vaping bad. Have you talked to a vapor? Have you done any tests? Have you done any studies? Where's your Trojan glass to prove it? Where's your scientists at? Nowhere. Yep. So yeah, anyway, that has been the unboxing review of the HAUS Crowd Punch. Not my favorite, and probably won't be yours. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.